Hello and welcome to the red carpet. I do lots of craft shows and vendor events during the red carpet dials, and I meet some really talented and creative people. And I wanted to give you an opportunity to see these beautiful bottle sets from Glamour Glass LLC. It's a really cool and awesome, talented person that I see at a lot of the craft shows out here in Michigan. And she got her Etsy shop put up, and so I'm going to give you that information. So I want to encourage you to check out her page, and I'm sure that you're going to see something on there that you're going to like. In this video, I'm going to try and attempt to make a miniature size version of the Glamour Glass bottle set. I have some ideas, but I'm not really sure where I'm going to go to accomplish this. So wish me luck. This one is going to be fun. But first, I'm going to ask you to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. So we have a still photo that I took with my phone, and we're going to use that for reference to make our little bottles. We're going to use glue sticks, a lighter, a nail clipper, and ice. You have to be very careful because we're going to be using the lighter to heat up the glue stick, and we're just going to allow the glue to drip down, and as it drips, it's going to kind of create the little curve of the top of the bottle. You have to be very patient. I sped up the tape double time, so it takes a while to get the shape, but once you see the shape starting to form, you just rub an ice cube very lightly, and it immediately cools the glue stick and locks that form into shape. Again, you have to be really careful using the heat. And you just trim with the nail clippers. And here is our mini bottle. So of course we needed 4. So I did 3 more, and I am using a push pin to hold everything. I'm going to handle everything with the push pin instead of actually holding the tiny little glue stick. So it's going to make it a lot easier to decorate. So I'm using my reference photograph, and I am just going to carefully paint. I was concerned that it would be streaky, but it's actually laying really smoothly, which is good, covering everything nicely. And next we're adding glitter. First we're going to apply a very thin layer of Mod Podge. And from there we'll just add glitter. Glitter is always fun and it always makes everything look really cute. Again, I want to encourage you to check out the page on Etsy, the Glamour Glass LLC page. These are so cute and they make great gifts. They have so many different colors and styles available on the website, and I believe that you could also order something custom made. So instead of getting a word on there, you can get a year to commemorate a graduation or a wedding anniversary. It's really unlimited what they can do with these. These are so cute. You're gonna love them. So everything is glittered. And when that dries, we're just going to seal everything with another thin coat of Mod Podge. So from here we're going to decorate. I am using super glue, and I just added the flowers, the ribbons, bows, and a little sequence on there. So I got everything decorated. To add the lettering, I'm just going to punch out small circles of cardstock and use a marker. And then I just attach the letters on there. But now that everything is decorated, the bottles won't stand. So I got a small tiny piece of plastic and I just glued the bottles onto the plastic. And here it is, compared it to the picture. I think it's really, really cute. I decided to make another set for the holiday. Again, it's super, super cute and they fit nicely in any diorama. So here are the original Glamour Glass bottle sets. Like I said, they're available on the Etsy shop. You guys, these are so cute. They're so original and they make perfect gifts. So I encourage you to go to the Etsy page, check it out. I am sure that you'll find something that you like on there. They make perfect, perfect gifts. So I want to thank you for watching. This is really cute, you know, and I like how it turned out. I think it's super cute. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Please leave a comment. Hit me up on social media. I'm on Twitter, I'm on Facebook, I'm on Instagram. And for leaving a comment on another video, we're going to officially welcome Foxy Paws AC Anderson to the red carpet. Thanks so much for watching again. And remember, it's more fun to make it.